Another example on personalization is the interactive wallpapers. Obviously you can put anything to the backside by just using this gesture. The other way to do it is to go into wallpapers, find the picture you like, find the type of clock you like, and push this button, and then you have your own interactive watch on the back side. This will stay always on, and it will only use battery once it's changing, as this is an EPD display. The gestures we have introduced, we have removed the standard Android buttons. Instead we have 3 simple gestures. One is if you want to jump one step back, you do like this. If you want to go back to the home menu, you do a full swipe, which is the home menu. And if you put the button here, you get the overview of active applications open. In this case, it was the clock I just worked on. Now I got one back. Obviously, it has an e-reader function. Sorry. Again, the same. You push it to the back, and you have an e-reader where you can navigate, change the pages by swiping. And I go back again. So we all know the situation where our phone is out of battery. We think there might be something else wrong. At least the screen is black, pushing the power button, nothing is happening. We can basically 100% personalize what should get on the back when it runs out of battery. In this case, it clearly tells you that it needs to be charged, it's out of battery. It could also keep your key information, telephone numbers. It could keep your map of the CES convention. It could keep the latest program you had open. It could say, I'm lost, please call this number. It's all up to you. You can do whatever you want. 2% before it runs out of battery, it will ask you, what do you want? Do you want to keep what you're working on, or do you want the standard procedure to be activated?
Sorry, do you mind if I hold this in the video for a second? I'm not going to mess with it, I promise.
Oh yeah, sure. Here.
And that's the tilt button if you want to.
That's the tilt button, okay. So, here, so we just want to talk, wait, where's the...
Oh no, this is this one you can't start. This one here.
Oh, just want to show the front screen for a second.
Yeah, just go back.
Oh, right, because this is better. Thank you. Okay.
Actually, this is another story.
So, we just want to talk for a second about the hardware on the Yota phone. As you can see, this is a 4.3-inch Super LCD HD screen here. It is running a very stock version of Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, which is going to allow Yota phone to more quickly update the operating system without having to put any extraneous skins on it. The only major customizations have to do with the back screen and the gesture that replaces the buttons. Inside, it has a 1.5 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon dual-core processor, and of course on the back we have another 4.3-inch EPD display that is 200 dpi. Otherwise, we're talking about 16 or 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and a 2100 milliamp hour battery, and of course 4G LTE. We don't know yet what carriers are going to carry this phone, and we expect it to come to US toward the end of the year, but this is a very exciting product. It's going to allow different kinds of use cases. You can see the front of the screen here, which has gone out, is regular Gorilla Glass, but on the back we actually have a curved Gorilla Glass covering the notification screen, so that you can put it down and you just know from the curve on the back that this is your notification window. And the great social thing about this is you can kind of put it down the table, it looks really inconspicuous, and then you can check with one eye while you're having a conversation with your relatives that you're not interested in, to see if an email came in, without being conspicuous and pulling up the phone and doing this. So this is a great way to sort of stealth ignore people, and or do other important things like store a map on the back, as we learn. And of course here we've got a Dilbert comic to highlight the e-reading portion of this. So a very exciting new product that's extremely unique, and we look forward to seeing how this develops. This is Aaron Pilch with the Yota phone here at CES 2013.